O Lord, how excellent is thy name in all the earth, who has set thy glory above the heavens.
Yes, Father.
You have to be prayerful. You have to be prayerful.
Okay, Father.
Read your Bible always.
Okay, Father.
As I agree your Bible.
Okay, Father.
Na agree Psalm. Na agree Jeremiah. Na agree Matthew. And no way.
Yes, Father.
Because I'm not like us or in our lads, and I be going to church.
Okay, Father.
You see, can I be church? As I be church. Now, now, no reading so. Now, be a confession. You know what?
Okay, Father.
Let us pray.
Eternal God, in whom mercy is endless, and the treasury of compassion inexhaustible.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
Father, come there, Gawana Nolo. I'm a be evening mass.
Okay. I said, I will take heed to my way, that I sin not with my tongue. I will keep my mouth with a bridle, while the wicked is before me. I was dumb with silence. I hid my peace, even from good, and my sorrow was stirred. My heart was hot within me, while I was musing the fire burning, then spake I with my tongue. O Lord, how excellent is thy name in all the earth, who has set thy